What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, I am using this foam cutter to try to cut the top of this thing off. So it's basically like a little lightsaber. The metal rod gets really hot and it cuts through the styrofoam without making any mess. So y'all, this is the result of spraying too much foam in the can. All right, y'all, that's just gonna be good enough. All right, so can you guys see the little pumpkin man right there? So I had thrown a bow in his bucket that goes on the garland. And then I was like, oh, I kind of like the way that looks with a bow in the container. So I figured I would make two little buckets with a little bit of greenery and some bows. And then these buckets will sit inside the buckets that the little guys are holding. All right, so we're gonna start with making some bows. So let's get our tail first. Y'all, let's get 3 loops. I'm gonna do about 6.5 inches on the loop. So y'all, I did 2 loops on this side, 1 loop over here. I'm gonna do the exact opposite with the next one. All right, so the next one, I'm gonna do 2 over here, 1 over here. The next one, I'm just gonna do a loop on both. 1 loop on both sides. Where did the buckets come from? DecoExchange. Y'all, I might use some of this spring ribbon. I'm gonna finish this one with a little bit of candy corn since they're in the candy buckets. I was gonna do 1 loop, then I changed my mind and went with 2. We got our 2 pipe cleaners. All right, get it pulled tight and twist it off. So there are multiple different ways that you could get this bow to attach into this can. For me, I'm gonna use my pick machine. We'll load a pick. We'll put that pipe cleaner in the pick machine and we'll clamp it off. We're gonna put the 2 candy corns right in the center. Now we're just gonna start putting a little bit of filler. All right, so now we have a start. This is good filler, but I wanna get some of those dark colors back in there. I'm gonna start filling this in. Y'all, and then of course, I wanna add a little bit of fun color. So for the person that was late for class and want to know why I was using a plaid bucket, it's because you can't see them. Right? So I wanted to make those where I could pop those arrangements in and out because next year, maybe I want to use those on my front porch at home and I actually want to put candy in them, right? So I couldn't just spray a bunch of spray foam in that bucket and make the arrangement. Now I can take them out and do something else with them. I wanted to add some of these little tubing things in here. Am I starting to like tubing? No, but I used it in the other pieces and I want to make sure I carry it throughout the project. All right, so y'all, I want to get a little bit of that tubing into the top. So I'm going to use one of these floral picks and get them a little bit taller. So y'all, I'm going to wrap the pipe cleaner. So can you guys see how there's just like a little spot right there that doesn't have any tubing? So we're just going to go for that spot right there. Y'all, and I just wanted to give it that little bit of funky character. Y'all, if you haven't yet, make sure you share this video. Do I sell all the ribbons I use? I have sold all the ribbons that I'm using. I don't know that I still have them for sale. All right, y'all, that's all I got tonight. I am going to get back to work and try to finish some of this stuff. All right, y'all have a good night. Bye, y'all.